Agro-ecological zones are different land areas that share similar characteristics in terms of climatic landform and soil features. Such land composition is vital in designing system patterns useful in assisting agricultural development planning, sustainable land use, harmonization, and environmental management. Minister of Land Reform Utoni Nuyoma says Namibia wants to use fertile land sustainably for food security.
Equity in land ownership requires that land is distributed equally across the strata of the Namibian population. However, some landowners own more than one farm, but in the absence of information on the actual productivity of the land, it is not possible to determine whether the land so owned is economically viable. This issue can best be addressed with the agro-ecological zone and carrying capacity maps.
Agro-ecological zones methodology was developed by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, and the International Institutes for Applied Systems Analysis over 30 years ago. Since then, countries adopted the system and is used in assisting agricultural resources and potential.
For sustainable agricultural development, we really need proper land use activity planning. And agro-ecological zoning approach is one of the ways that we can, in a rational way, with scientific information and data, make better decisions in terms of what is the most suitable land use for an area and what are the limitations. For sustainable animal production, the capability of the land to sustain these animals over a period of time is very important, that we don't exceed those thresholds, because otherwise we end up with degradation. And it also gives us a rational basis for land valuation.
Namibia had previously attempted to undertake agro-ecological zones mapping and data collections. However, to date, there is no detailed framework of agro-ecological zones, such as database, maps, and reports at national level. The databases from the project will be instrumental in sustainable management of land resources and land valuation in the country. Serafia Nadunya, NBC News, Windhoek.